right here. This is my garage.
Yeah, but where's your light?
And sleep at?
All right, man, here's another slight video. Now, I am recording from my phone. Didn't feel like waiting to charge the GoPro. But I'm about to show y'all what I'm about to do. Well, y'all see thumbnail title, yada, yada. About to install these Nerf bars on my quad. If you haven't seen the review of the quad, I got the initial video of showing me, like, you know, what it looked like when I first got it versus what it looked like now. So if you want to see everything that's put on the bike, definitely go check out my last video. But I'm about to put these Nerf bars on it. Those basically go right here. The bike already came with like the heel guard, so I was gonna order some new ones, but I am just spray painting these black. They was already black, but I just put like a newer black on it, so they didn't look so old. And once I put the Nerf bars on there, it's gonna look way better, I mean. But anyway, so it's pretty much self-explanatory. These is Albert Racing, Team Albert Racing. This is the instructions that come in here. You see, it's literally nothing. It just shows you this right here, this, and how to do that. Because it's really self-explanatory, but hey, for some people, it may not be that easy. But anyway, pretty much, these are gonna mount up right here. I'm gonna take this bolt off, and these are somewhat gonna hang right there. And these bars right here, the black one, you see this basically goes inside there, like that. Then the back part, this one is for this side, so I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. It's gonna mount up on these two holes right here, right there on the back. So it's gonna be right here, in a sense, mounted up. So show y'all what bolt to take off first. Just to do step by step. It's gonna be a quick video because, like I say, it's really not that difficult, but I want to show y'all what it looked like with the Nerf bars, as well as go ahead and show y'all these quick little steps. So man, go ahead and get to the first step. All right, so you see step number one, that basically once you remove that bolt, you see it says you're gonna need a 14, and you use an extender just so you got the reach. You see what I'm saying right here. Now they say, if you look right here, it said it comes with one. They're talking about this right here, but they say it's best to use the factory one, which I plan on doing because they say this one may be a little bit too long. So basically you're gonna reuse the one that's already on here. So I'm gonna take this off and then show y'all after. All right, so it's pretty much a wrap up for the video. Like 2 months ago, I started to put these on. Wasn't able to get this bolt off right here because the bolt had been on the ATV pretty much since the bike was built, so I wasn't even taking it off. It was too hard. Now I did get the guy that built the whole quad to come over and take that off and put these Nerf bars on here for me. These are Albert Racing Nerf bars, gloss black, red netting. Pretty much the bike is completely rebuilt. If you want to see everything I did to it, you go check out my review video for this. I'm still gonna do some things to it. I want to switch out the shocks, add a cam kit. Like I said, I did add a whole bunch of stuff already: chain, exhaust, thumb throttle, fuel cap, top end engine rebuild, front bars, grill, a whole bunch of stuff. Painted the wheels, redid the brakes, brake line, all that. So definitely got way more stuff coming, but right now it's pretty much done for right now. If you don't know, we going into winter, which that's better for riding because it's not as hot. If you don't know, I do got Hellcat Red Eye. If you want to see anything about this car, definitely browse the channel. I got plenty of videos, but that's pretty much it. About to take this bike out in a couple of weeks, so I got POV videos coming and riding videos coming as well. Got a couple other people riding with me, so stay tuned for that, man. But like I said, anything you want to see done to the bike or know about the bike, definitely browse the channel because I got a couple videos on the quad already. This is just pretty much the install video for this without the installation part. I do got some information on it, but it's pretty much to show you what it looked like after you add them. So you see both sides, man. But that's pretty much it, man. Definitely make sure you comment, like, subscribe. If you're into quads, I got all that content coming. If you're into Hellcat, Charger, Red Eyes, all that stuff, definitely tune in because I got all that stuff already on the channel. That's pretty much it, man. I'm out.
Was on my grind, it was my time. I ain't think twice. I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, pocket 96, 11 past 11.